Hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change this welcome username right here. So if you're looking to customize this name while you're starting up your computer, this video is going to be for you. So let's get to it right now. So once you are on your desktop, just come to search right here and you're going to type control. Okay. So then you come to control panel, you open the control panel. And right here on view by, make sure you have category selected. Now you come to user accounts, double tap user accounts, and now come to user accounts right here. Now, once on this user accounts, you'll be able to see how many accounts you have signed in this computer. Now, if I want to change this, I have to come to change your account name right here. So I double tap here and I have to enter my new account name. And this is going to be, I'm going to put into chair. Okay. So I'll go ahead and change the name. And as you can see, my name has been changed. So let me just restart the computer to see if the changes took place. Okay, so I close this and I'm going to restart the computer right now. Okay, so as you can notice, the changes have been effective. So this is it, guys. If you like the video, go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel.